Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And what I have tonight for you guys, I am going to show you a product that I have ordered off of Amazon. It is called Lightenup Clarifying Gel. Yes, most of you guys says that I have clear skin and amazing skin, glowing skin. Yes, I do. I try to upkeep my skin. Try to show you guys products that I am using on my face in case you want to give it a try. Well, I'm going to try this. It is the Lightenup Clarifying Gel, and what it does is going to lighten your skin, brighten it, lighten your skin. So I am going to list the information down below, you know, what it does, and let me try to read it to you because I don't have my glasses on. It says, formulated in a light, refreshing scent, Lightenup Clarifying Gel reduces appearance of dark brown spots, even out skin tones with brighten or butane complex, helps prevent premature aging, promoting a radiant, youthful complexion. And it says apply a thin layer of Lightenup Clarifying Gel to clear dry skin, preferably at night, which I am using it now at night, to avoid further pigmentation. Always follow up with an SPF 30 or higher during and after brightening treatment. Limited sun exposure. So you guys, you can pretty much read this, you know, for yourself. So I've already washed my face, cleared my face, but I did not put any moisturizer on my skin. So I am going to use this. So it comes in a box like this. I ordered it off of Amazon and it was $5, under $5. You're going to get a tube like this. Okay. This is what it looks like. Then you're going to punch a hole in it with your top. So it is a clear gel. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to place a thin layer on my skin. It doesn't take a lot. A small pinch will go far. So that is it. So I want to share with you guys what I am using on my skin now. Okay, you guys, that is it that I have for you guys. So thank you so much, and stay tuned for more videos. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. So come back. You never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this short little video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.